Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you guys, I want to share with you guys why sometimes you produce your Thom Browne and the color is deep brown and sometimes it's light brown. Okay, so if you're a fan of producing Thom Browne or if you are buying Thom Browne, you will notice sometimes the color is different. Okay, so today I have with me in two bowls the same Thom Browne made with the same ingredient, but then the color came out different. Okay, one is deep brown and the other one is light brown. So of course I'm going to share with you two reasons why sometimes you have your Thom Browne made with the same ingredient and yet it comes out different color. Okay, yeah, deep and then light. So please guys, if you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Okay, so yes, I made this Thom Browne with 6 ingredients, and that is the same Thom Browne I do for my customers. Okay, this is date and tiger nut mixed Thom Browne, which the ingredients are rice, wheat, groundnut, soya beans, date and tiger nut, and some salt to taste. Okay, so sometimes I usually add milk powder flavor, but for this particular one I did not add milk powder flavor because my customer said I shouldn't add milk powder flavor. Okay, so yes, the same ingredients as I mentioned earlier on, but then it came out different color. Okay, so I'm going to tell you just two reasons. So the first reason is that the process of roasting the ingredient. Okay, so if you are roasting your ingredient and you did not let it brown very well, your Thom Browne is going to come out looking a little light brown. It's not going to be deep brown. Okay, yes, that's the main reason. I mean, that's the first reason why you can have your Thom Browne deep brown and then sometimes light brown. And there's this interesting reason, very interesting. If you are not used to producing Thom Browne, you would not know. Okay, the second reason I'm going to be mentioning to you, okay, is when you go to the grinding mill. When you go to the grinding mill and your machine is very hot, so sometimes during the grinding in the grinding machine, your machine can become, the grinding machine can become very hot, thereby making your Thom Browne roast whilst it is in the process of grinding. Okay, so that way you even smell the Thom Browne as it is coming out from the machine and it's going to smell like it's being roasted. That's when the machine is very hot and Thom Browne is also going to start roasting, thereby changing the color to deep brown or this color of Thom Browne. Okay, but in an instance whereby you grind for like 2 times and you let it cool down, then you continue to grind again, that way it's not going to become very hot, thereby it's not going to give your Thom Browne that very dark color that sometimes it happens in this case. Okay, so the first one I'm stirring right now, that one I grinded it for like 5 times without stopping or without letting it rest or cooling down. That's what gave it this color. Okay, the machine was very hot whilst it was grinding. But the second one in the silver bowl there, I actually grinded it like 2 times and I spread it and made it cool down completely before I continued to grind the other 2 rounds again. So with this, so some people like their Thom Browne very deep brown like this, and others also like their Thom Browne light brown. So when you find yourself in an instant, if you are doing this for business, all that you need to do is to sieve them together. Okay, you are going to fetch this and fetch that also and mix it. So your Thom Browne is going to come out very colorful. Okay, so you are going to mix all this 2 colors together and your Thom Browne is going to come out colorful. That is what I did for my customer. Okay, for some of my customers. Okay, but some people will tell you that they want their Thom Browne very deep brown. So in that instant, you grind it until it is very hot, thereby giving you that very deep brown color of the Thom Browne. Yes, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.